Yo, what's up everybody, it's Rur. Get this, there are millions of graves out there just forgotten. Families move away, life gets busy, and those we've lost are left behind. What if I told you there's a way to honor those resting places and make serious bank doing it? We're talking about a business that almost no one is doing with the potential to make you up to $12,000 a month. Think about it. A family's grieving, they're miles away, no way to tend to their loved one's grave. You step in, you provide that peace of mind, that connection they can't. And the best part? You can start this with almost no money down. Stick with me to the end of this video, and I'm gonna break down exactly how to start this business, find clients like crazy, and turn it into a full-blown money-making machine. Let's do this. Alright, so what exactly are we talking about here? It's exactly what it sounds like, grave cleaning and memorial maintenance. You're going to be providing a service for families who want to keep their loved ones' resting places looking pristine, respectful, you know, how it should be. Think about it. Headstones get weathered, dirty, covered in moss over time. Grass grows wild, weeds pop up, it just gets messy. And for families who can't physically be there to take care of it, it eats at them. They feel helpless, like they're letting their loved ones down. That's where you come in like a guardian angel for these grave sites. You're going to be offering a variety of services to bring these memorials back to life. First up, gravestone cleaning, scrubbing away the grime, making those headstones shine like new again. Then we've got weed whacking, leaf blowing, trimming, the whole 9 yards to keep the area around the grave looking sharp. And get this, you can even offer digital memorials. Imagine setting up a QR code right there on the headstone. Families scan it with their phones and boom, they're instantly connected to a website with photos, videos, stories, all dedicated to their loved one. Alright, let's talk competition or lack thereof. In the world of business, competition is usually fierce. But what if I told you there's a niche where competition is almost non-existent? Guys, there are over 144,000 cemeteries in the US alone. That's a staggering number, right? And guess what? Most of them are filled with neglected graves. These graves are often forgotten, left to the elements. Families move, people pass away, and those graves just sit there, year after year. The grass grows tall, the headstones get dirty, and no one is around to take care of them. Think about it. What if someone in your family lived across the country, or even in another country? It's not easy to make frequent trips just to maintain a grave. Could they realistically visit their loved one's grave every few weeks to clean it, maintain it? Probably not. Travel costs and time constraints make it nearly impossible. And that's where you come in, filling a massive need in the market. You can offer a service that brings peace of mind to families who can't be there. First of all, the competition is practically non-existent. This is a wide-open field with very few players. I'm serious, barely anyone is doing this professionally. Most people don't even realize this is a viable business opportunity. You're not going up against some huge corporation with 1,000 locations. There are no big chains dominating this market. It's practically a blank slate, ready for you to come in and dominate. You can set the standards and be a pioneer in this niche. Second, the startup costs are insanely low. You don't need a fancy office or expensive equipment. We're talking basic cleaning supplies, maybe some gardening tools, stuff you might already have lying around. It's a low investment, high reward scenario. And to get the word out, you don't need a massive marketing budget. We'll get to that in a bit, but trust me, it's not going to break the bank. Simple, cost-effective strategies can work wonders. Third, this business is built on recurring clients. Once you establish a relationship with a family, they'll likely stick with you. Once you start taking care of a family's plot, they're going to want you to keep doing it, month after month, year after year. It's a service that people will continuously need. That means consistent, reliable income for you. You can build a steady stream of revenue that grows over time. Okay, let's talk money, because at the end of the day, we're here to make some serious cash, right? And the beautiful thing about this business is you can charge a premium for your services. Think about the value you're providing. Peace of mind for grieving families, a beautifully maintained memorial for their loved one. That's priceless to some people. So, what can you realistically charge? Well, for a basic cleaning package, including the headstone and the surrounding area, you can easily charge $50 to $100 per visit. Now let's say you want to offer a premium package, adding in some fresh flowers, maybe a seasonal wreath, or even some personalized decorations. Boom! You've just bumped your price up to $150 to $250 per visit. And if you want to create that sweet passive income, offer a subscription model. 4 visits a year, maybe 1 for each season, and you're looking at charging $500 or more per client per year. Now let's do some quick math. Alright, you're probably wondering how to get this business off the ground and find those first paying clients. It can feel overwhelming at first, but with the right strategies, you'll be on your way to success in no time. Don't worry, I got you. Here's the game plan. A step-by-step approach to get clients fast and efficiently. Number 1. Facebook groups and local apps. These platforms are gold mines for finding potential clients. Look, everyone and their grandma is on Facebook these days. It's a hub of activity and a great place to connect with people. Find local groups dedicated to your city or town, and even better, groups specifically for cemeteries or genealogy. These niche groups are where your target audience hangs out. Let people know about your services, offer a special discount for first-time clients, and watch the inquiries roll in. Make your posts engaging and informative. Number 2, partner up with funeral homes. Building relationships with these businesses can be incredibly beneficial. Think about it. When families are grieving, who do they turn to? Funeral homes. These establishments are trusted by families during difficult times. These guys are your golden ticket. They can refer clients to you, providing a steady stream of business. Offer them a referral fee for every client they send your way, and it's a win-win for both of you. This incentivizes them to recommend your services. Number 3, hit the pavement, literally. Sometimes the old-fashioned way works best. Head to your local cemeteries and leave your business cards at their offices. Make sure your cards are professional and eye-catching. Even better, if it's allowed, place them on those little community boards where people post announcements. These boards are often frequented by locals. You'll be surprised how many people see those. It's a simple yet effective way to get your name out there. Number 4, get yourself a simple website. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial. Look, you don't need anything fancy. A clean, easy-to-navigate site will do the trick. Websites like Wix or Squarespace make it stupid easy to create a website, even if you have zero tech skills. They offer templates that you can customize to fit your brand. Showcase your services, add some testimonials from happy clients, and you're good to go. Testimonials build trust and credibility. Number 5, tap into the power of word of mouth. Personal recommendations are incredibly powerful. Encourage your satisfied clients to spread the word about your services. Offer them incentives like discounts on future services for referrals. This not only brings in new clients but also keeps your existing clients coming back. Let's talk startup costs. Because I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but I bet it costs a fortune to get started. Wrong. Remember, one of the best things about this business is that it requires almost zero investment. Seriously, you can get this up and running with the loose change in your couch cushions. Here's what you need. First up, cleaning supplies. We're talking buckets, sponges, biodegradable soap, gloves, maybe some brushes to scrub those headstones. You can find all of this stuff at the dollar store or Walmart for under $50, easy. Next, business cards. You can get 500 of these bad boys printed for like $20 online. Make sure they have your contact info, the services you offer, and maybe even a little tagline like honoring memories, one grave at a time. Boom, instant credibility. Third, that simple website we talked about. Like I said, Wix and Squarespace have free plans that are more than enough for what you need. Or if you're feeling fancy, you can pay for a premium plan for like $10 a month. Finally, you might want to set aside a small marketing budget. Even $50 can go a long way with Facebook ads or posting on Craigslist. Okay, now let's say you're a few months in, you've got a steady stream of clients, and you're ready to turn this thing into a full-blown empire. You've laid the groundwork, and now it's time to take things to the next level. How do you scale? Don't worry, I've got the blueprint right here. Scaling your business is all about strategic planning and smart investments. First things first, hire some help. You can't do everything on your own, and bringing in the right people can make a world of difference. Once you've got more clients than you can handle, it's time to bring on a part-time helper. This will free up your time to focus on more critical aspects of the business. They can handle the cleaning and maintenance while you focus on landing even bigger clients or expanding into new areas. Delegating tasks is key to scaling efficiently. Speaking of expanding, that's your next move. Look at the map and identify potential areas for growth. Most cemeteries don't have anyone offering this service, so think about nearby towns or even neighboring cities. Expansion can significantly increase your revenue streams. You can easily create a network of grave care professionals covering a massive area and raking in the dough. Building a network also helps in sharing best practices and resources. Remember those digital memorials we talked about? They're not just a novelty, they're a game changer. That's where you can really differentiate yourself and increase your profits. Offering unique services sets you apart from the competition. Learn how to set up those QR codes, create simple websites, and offer this as an add-on service. It's easier than you think and highly profitable. Families will love it, and you'll be laughing all the way to the bank. The emotional value you provide will translate into financial success. Another way to scale is to offer additional services. Diversifying your offerings can attract a broader client base. Think about it. Families who trust you to care for their loved ones' graves might also need help with other things. Building strong relationships with your clients opens up more opportunities. Maybe they need someone to handle the landscaping around the entire plot. Offering comprehensive services can make you the go-to provider in your area. Guys, this is it. This is one of the easiest, most untapped businesses out there, and the best part, the demand will never go away. You're not just making money, you're helping families honor their loved ones, and that's something truly special. So what do you think? Could you see yourself starting a business like this? Let me know in the comments below. I'm seriously curious to see how many of you are going to take action and become the next grave care mogul.